And there's no danger that, I mean, we have a government that talks a lot about levelling up, say, that if some of those red wall towns start to flourish, it's Michael Gove and Rishi Sunak who claim the credit for that. So I mean, one of the difficulties about being in opposition is you don't want your country to fail, but you kind of want the government to. And there's quite a blurred line between the two. I'm just trying to push you on this, that actually, if you succeed too much, it makes the government look good, doesn't it? I mean, there must be some sort of misaligned incentives between you and the Labour Party that must come out at some points.
Well, I'm really going to challenge that, because there is not a space or a place where the Labour Party would say to me, Tracy, can you stop being a champion for your region? Because they understand I have a different job, and that is standing side by side with Michael Gove when we get a trailblazer deal of £1 billion for West Yorkshire. Of course, I'm going to champion that, and I'm going to thank Michael Gove for understanding what devolution means. And I have publicly said I am grateful to Hugh Merriman and to Mark Harper for listening to the people of the North and understanding that to give a failing, rail company a new contract would be a betrayal of the North. And they listened, and I'm going to thank them for that. That doesn't mean I'm not going to stop challenging them. And also, hopefully leading the charge for an incoming Labour government.
Okay, well, I tried. You won on that one. Now, each Metro Mayor's got their own unique devolution deal. Are there things that other Metro Mayors can do that you wish you could do? Are there things that you wish, I wish I had a bit of that?
Yeah, I mean, I really would like more control over skills post-16, and that is in the Trailblazer deals that both Andy Street and Andy Burnham have negotiated. Andy Burnham has health. Both Andy Burnham and myself are police and crime commissioners. Andy Street is not a police and crime commissioner, and neither is Oliver Coppard. I would say that the combination of mayor and police and crime commissioner is a fantastic combination. And if I was looking to become a mayor, I would absolutely now say what I want is I want to be PCC as well. Because being able to, for example, talk about a priority of safety of women and girls, I also have control over funding for some funding for the buses through the bus service improvement plan. So we've created a bus safety app that lets people tell me when they feel unsafe on the bus. Then I've found money for 15 PCSOs to be on the bus network in the same way you have transport police on trains. Being able to say, we have a shortage of bus drivers, that's why our bus network's not working. I can run a campaign for recruitment. I can also spend money on training bus drivers. So there's a real team and labelling that goes on, and particularly around safety, safer communities, being able to use the Mayor's Safer Communities Fund, which is over £1 million, to invest in programmes in the community. It's up to £8,000 per programme on the things that chime with my priorities. So that is definitely a really positive additional power that I think most mayors will find that they want. But for myself, I haven't pushed for health. But what I do understand is that health inequalities is too wide in West Yorkshire. So if we're going to do levelling up, let's do our own levelling up as well. That a child born today in Ilkley will live a healthier life 10 years longer than a child born in Batley, say. So we've got to deal with that, which is why I'm really pleased we've just appointed our first ever inclusivity champion, Fatima Khan Shah, who is paid for by the Integrated Care Board and me, and she straddles health and my morality. So together we are tackling health inequality through programmes and innovations. So there's loads of creative problem solving that you can do by crossing those sectors.